Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that is often overlooked, but is incredibly important for maintaining good health: iodine deficiency. In this video, we will be exploring the top 5 signs and symptoms of an iodine deficiency that you may have never heard of. Iodine is a vital mineral that is essential for the proper functioning of the human body. It is primarily used by the thyroid gland to produce hormones that regulate metabolism and help maintain overall health. Unfortunately, iodine deficiency is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. While most people are aware of the more common signs and symptoms of iodine deficiency, such as goiter and hypothyroidism, there are several lesser-known signs that can indicate a deficiency. In this video, we will explore the top 5 signs and symptoms of an iodine deficiency that you may have never heard of. Hair loss. Hair loss is a common symptom of an iodine deficiency that is often overlooked. This is because the thyroid hormones produced with the help of iodine play a crucial role in hair growth and maintenance. When the body does not have enough iodine, the thyroid gland cannot produce enough hormones, leading to hair loss. In some cases, hair loss may be the only symptom of an iodine deficiency, making it important to get your iodine levels checked if you notice excessive hair loss. Dry skin. Dry, flaky, and itchy skin is another lesser-known sign of an iodine deficiency. This is because iodine is required for the production of oils that keep the skin moisturized and healthy. When there is an iodine deficiency, the skin may become dry, flaky, and itchy, which can be uncomfortable and even painful in severe cases. If you have dry skin that does not respond to moisturizers or other treatments, it may be worth getting your iodine levels checked. Muscle weakness. Muscle weakness is another sign of an iodine deficiency that is often overlooked. This is because iodine is required for the production of thyroid hormones, which help to regulate muscle function. When there is an iodine deficiency, the body may not produce enough thyroid hormones, leading to muscle weakness and fatigue. This can be especially problematic for athletes or people who engage in physical activity regularly, as it can affect their performance and increase the risk of injury. Cognitive impairment. Iodine is important for brain development and function, and an iodine deficiency can lead to cognitive impairment in both children and adults. This can manifest as difficulty with memory, attention, and problem-solving, as well as overall cognitive function. In children, an iodine deficiency can lead to developmental delays and intellectual disability if left untreated. In adults, cognitive impairment can be particularly problematic, as it can affect job performance, relationships, and overall quality of life. Depression and anxiety. Finally, an iodine deficiency can also contribute to depression and anxiety. This is because iodine is required for the production of thyroid hormones, which help regulate mood and emotions. When there is an iodine deficiency, the body may not produce enough thyroid hormones, leading to imbalances in mood and emotions. This can manifest as feelings of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. How to prevent iodine deficiency? Fortunately, iodine deficiency can be prevented by including iodine-rich foods in your diet or taking iodine supplements. Some of the best dietary sources of iodine include seafood, fish, shellfish, and seaweed are all excellent sources of iodine. Dairy, milk, cheese, and yogurt are good sources of iodine, particularly if they come from cows that have been fed iodine supplements. Eggs. Eggs contain small amounts of iodine. Salt. Iodized salt, which is salt that has been fortified with iodine, is a common source of iodine in many countries. In addition to including iodine-rich foods in your diet, you can also take iodine supplements if you are not getting enough iodine from your diet. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before taking iodine supplements, as taking too much iodine can also be harmful to your health. In conclusion, iodine deficiency is a serious health problem that can lead to a wide range of symptoms and health issues. By being aware of the lesser-known signs of iodine deficiency, you can take steps to prevent it and maintain good health. Thank you for watching our video on the 5 signs and symptoms of an iodine deficiency that you may have never heard of. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos like this. See you in the next video.